Okay, these are brilliant in their simplicity. We have a formula that says that you can find the area of a triangle if you know two sides and the included angle between them. So the formula is the area is equal to 1/2, uh, 1/2. They say it's BC sine A, okay? But just know that the B and the C are sides, and the A is the angle between them. Okay, so we say 1/2 times 5.5 or 5.5 times 12 times sine of 33 degrees. Sorry, my pen is acting a little funny. 33. Okay, and 17.97. I'm putting it out to two places because what we're going to do is we're rounding to the nearest tenth. So we're rounding to here, and we look here to see whether if we have a 5 or bigger than that, then we consider it more than another whole, it counts as another tenth, and we round the tenths place up. So is it 5 or higher? It is. So we then say that 9 rounds up to 10, 0 carry the 1. That 7 becomes an 8, and we get 18.0. Now, do we have to put 18.0? Can we just put 18? By the way, it's feet squared because it's area. No, you need to put 18.0. Although it's 0 there, if you don't show 18.0, you're not showing that you actually rounded to the tenths place and that there's a 0 in the tenths place. It appears if you just put 18 that you didn't round to the correct place. So if it says round to the nearest tenth, show the tenths place, and if in the tenths place is 0, then that's fine, and that's what you just show there. Okay, so that's number 15. Number 17, we do the same way. We're going to say we have a formula of A equals 1/2 B times C times sine of A. A being the included angle. So you said then it equals 1/2 34 times 39 times sine of 28. And we'll calculate this here. Let me do it. Got sine of 28 times 39 times 34 times 1/2. And we get 311.25. I should actually be putting approximately equal for all of these. It is 311.259. Doesn't really matter what's after the 5 because we're rounding to this place. Sorry, we're rounding to this place, so we're looking here. Is it 5 or higher? Yes. The 2 becomes a 3, and we've got 313 approximately equal to 313.3 kilometers squared. Okay. And finally, we'll do this one more time. We have area equals 1/2 B times C times sine of A. So we've got 1/2 of 1 times 2.5 times sine of 37. And when we calculate all this through, let's do it here on my calculator. We've got sine of 37 times 2.5 times 0.5 equals, approximately equals 0.75. That's all I need to take it out to because we are rounding to here. So we look here, is that 5 or higher? It sure is. So that 7 rounds up to 0.8. And what were the units? The units were feet. So 0.8 feet squared. And that's how you do them. This formula is really brilliant. I'll write it one more time at the bottom so you have it. Um, area equals 1/2 BC, which those both stand for the two sides you know, and then the sine of A, which is the included angle. Anytime you can use that, feel free to use it instead of doing some other more complicated method.